how would you define attachment? How would you define detachment? And what, if anything, is the interplay between the two?
You know, it's so funny that I get asked that question because it's a fundamental difficulty that I have, you know, because I wear another hat where I teach Buddhist meditation in Buddhist settings. And so every time I say that the second truth that the Buddha talked about what our inherent difficulty is, the source or the cause of our suffering, is craving, clinging, attachment, right? So there's a verbiage problem, a semantics problem right there inherent in it. So in a Western psych or even in a Buddhist context now with the rise of people understanding attachment theory, I have to say unhealthy attachment. In any case, so attachment is that thing that is completely and utterly necessary for health, for mental health, emotional health, spiritual health. And the way that a person is able to get to that healthy attachment is different for different types of people, even people within one categorized attachment style. So one of the things that I've found is that the problem of attachment is a boundary problem, and that most people that I come across with complex trauma have had their boundaries violated, either through abandonment or through boundary crossing. And so when you look at it through that lens, then you're looking at it through the lens of how do I then develop a healthy sense of it? And the answer often is a healthy sense of detachment. You know, as is said in 12-step programs, detaching with love. And so one detaches from the story of abandonment, or one detaches from the people who have crossed the boundaries. And again, it's very nuanced, but in many ways it's similar to the kinds of interventions or kinds of healing that are happening around other issues.